What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money today. And I hope you're ready to study so we can be prepared to make some money going in the next week. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to talk to you about a few things. I'm going to talk to you about how the market was today. And of course, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I made $500 in one trade today in my paid options group chat. So with that being said, you already know how it go. Veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow. And for that, I appreciate you guys so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch this video from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process, and the YouTube algorithm is going to love me. So for that, I love you. And guys, if you're new to the channel, if you're interested in the stock market, I'm your boy. I'm the Options Boss. I'm going to give you the game from A to Z and let you know how the thing go. What you need to do is you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel down there, click that notification bell, and click all notifications. And when I drop these Get Money Jewels, YouTube is going to make sure you get it first things first, right off the press, so we can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, as soon as the market opens. Now, guys, what a wild day it was today in the market, right? We had a few key levels on SPY that I was looking at. And each of the key levels we was looking at, we ran right through. So the first key level was SPY 378. I was curious about if we could push through 378 because we've been having trouble with that for the longest time of late. And sure enough, we pushed through SPY 378 in pre-market to set us up for the big day today. Once the day got going, we went through SPY 380 with no issue. SPY 380 is always a tricky one because that's a psych number. And once we got rolling past 380, next thing I'm looking at is SPY 384. Sure enough, we powered right on through SPY 384 and even through SPY 388. So it set us up to the point we finished at SPY 389. And I think that set us up with the opportunity to possibly see if we could challenge SPY 400 next week. Not saying for sure that we will, but we're definitely set up where it's a reasonable request to see SPY 400 again next week. So that's a very good sign, very bullish market, and I love to see it. In my paid options group chat, we benefited from the bullishness of the market today. We had nice wins with Snow, and Snow was really good for us this week. We made big wins on Snow several times this week. So shout out to Snow. That ticker definitely did as well. We had a big win on Roku. Roku's another one that did as well. We had a couple of big wins on Roku this week. And even this week, we had Roblox big wins. We had Lee big wins. We had another big win, Chewy big wins. So it was really nice. But the play I want to show you guys today was also in my options group chat, and it was a super sweet one. When you see this play, I'm going to explain to you how it was set up on the chart, and I'm going to show you guys why I jumped in where I jumped in. And this way, when you see this type of setup, when you're looking at a chart on your own, you can say to yourself, yo, last time I saw this, Options Boss jumped in this play and made 500. Here go another setup just like that. I'm going to jump in and I'm going to make my 500 or 600 or 1,000 or whatever it is that you make. So this way, we all eating, because you already know, guys, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to say, let's eat so we all can eat, guys. So we're going to dive into that chart. That chart is Goldman Sachs, guys. And like I said, it was a crazy play. It was a beautiful setup. And I knew that it was going to be a money maker. So we're going to dive into the charts. We're going to dive into that right now. All right, guys. So right here, you will see we are looking at ticker symbol GS. That's right, guys. We're talking about Goldman Sachs right here. And I'm going to show you guys how we entered this trade today, what I was looking for, and what happened once we got it, right? So I'm going to bring my mouse on the screen. If you see my mouse, see that line moving around, you'll see this purple line right here, and you'll see this blue line right here. And you'll see basically it's going downward. And what that is called, guys, that's called a falling wedge, right? So we got this falling wedge, and you'll see GS about the last week or so, we lost that wedge. We had a couple candles that was outside of that chart right there, or outside of that that trend, We had a couple candles outside. We came back and reclaimed it, but couldn't keep strong. Now, when we reclaimed it, this candle right here that my mouse is on, I'm going to move my candle over a bit, my mouse over a bit so you can see that candle. That candle right there, if I come back to it, we'll see the high of that candle, guys, was 294.48, right? So what I was looking at, now I see we at the bottom of this trend, and I see we're consolidating. We're not going up. We're not going up and we're not going down here. We're kind of just going sideways. So what I'm looking at on Goldman Sachs is I'm looking for a candle to break up, because I know we're not going to go much lower, more likely because we're consolidating and we're at the bottom of this trend. A lot of the times when you get to the bottom of the trend line, you don't go much lower than that. So I already knew that puts was not in my mind on Goldman Sachs here. But what was on my mind was, could we get above that 294.50 area? Now, you look at yesterday's candle. This is yesterday's candle right here. If I can get my mouse to get steady. There we go. Yesterday's candle right there. Open at 283.76. Got as high as 286.59. Got as low as 278.93 and closed at 286.17. So it closed towards the top of that candle. Now, what I needed was, I needed it to be above 286. I needed it to be above 294.50. And when I saw this candle this day, this guy right here was the one. So it went above 294.50. And when it went above 294.50, I actually waited for the 295 area. But when it went above 295, I knew that I could get my options group chat in this play and it would make us some money. Reason why I knew that, again, we hit the bottom of the trend line and we were consolidating. And then on top of the consolidation, we finally broke above the consolidation, which was this candle right here. When we broke above this candle right here, that let me know that we could possibly be ready to make a move. So this candle, you look at the numbers on this candle, it opened at 290.58. It got as high as 303.13. It got as low as 290. So it didn't go much lower than open. And it closed at 302.75. So it closed towards the very top. When we got in this thing at 295 and it made the run that it made, we was able, in the options group chat, we grabbed a couple of contracts and we rolled those things up, and it made us about $500 on this Goldman Sachs play. So as I say in the options group chat all the time, that play was super sweet. That was a nice move right there. And moves like this is the type of move that happens, and it's why I always tell you guys, when I can, you need to be in the paid options group chat. It's very simple. We looking at these charts, and if you see an area of consolidation and you see a breakout above that consolidating area, then that's an opportunity to enter into a position. Now, Goldman Sachs probably has room if it wanted to. If it wanted to, you could probably stay in that trade and you could probably push it up to this 310 area at the very least. Now, we did take profit today. We already locked in a profit. It was $500. No reason to wait around with the way that this market has been choppy. But if you were looking to be patient, you could have swung this and you would have had upside to this 310 area. If I can get somewhere around that 310 area where you see on my screen, would have been your next chance to take an exit, to take your profit. So big win. We looking for more plays like this. There will be more plays like this. I gave out a special play today in my options group chat. Well, I actually offered it to everybody, even members of my tier 3 membership, members of my Discord, which, guys, by the way, I'm going to drop a link to my Discord in the comments. There's a free section of the Discord. You definitely want to join that. And of course, there's the paid membership or the group chat if you guys are interested in that. But nevertheless, I want to drop the Discord. I offered it to the Discord. I offered it to the tier 3. I offered it to my paid options group chat. This play is going to print and make us money just like Goldman did. Not sure if it'll be $500, but it's definitely going to be a couple $100. It already finished up today. Majorly green, about 77% up on this one. And we didn't close it. We swung it. So I'm looking for a big win. And if this win prints out, I'll probably be making a video Monday or Tuesday talking about this play and why I entered this play. So guys, I want you to watch stuff like this. Watch for those charts. When you see consolidation and when you see a breakout, you know how to capitalize. you know what you're looking for to capitalize on a breakout of consolidation. So guys, don't forget, you can always be a boss with the options boss, guys. You already know, I'm a holler when I holler.